Permutations and combinations, part 4.
Hi, hello everyone. So for this session we will discuss few problems. So see the first exercise 3A problems. So see the first question. If NP3 is equals to 1320, then find N. So see the first solution. Given NP3 is equals to 1320. So here we know that NPR formula is what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. So this is NPR form. So here NP3, this is equals to, so 1320 can be written as 10 into 132. So this is 10 into 12 into 11. So clearly this can be written as NP3 is equals to 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial by 9 factorial. So we are multiply and divide with 9 factorial. Now how to write this one? NP3 is equals to 12 factorial by 12 minus 3 factorial. So clearly how to write this one? 12P3. So 12 factorial by 12 minus 3 factorial can be written as NPR, that is 12P3. So therefore N is equals to how much? 12. So this is the required answer. So see the second one. If NP7 is equals to 42 into NP5, then find N. So see the second solution. Given NP7 is equals to 42 into NP5. Okay. See here how to write NP7? N factorial by N minus 7 factorial is equals to 42 into, how to write NP5? N factorial by N minus 5 factorial. So N factorial get cancelled. Now this is 1 by N minus 7 factorial is equals to 42 by, how to write N minus 5 factorial? This is N minus 5 into N minus 6 into N minus 7 factorial. So both side N minus 7 factorial get cancelled. So you will get N minus 5 into N minus 6 is equals to how much? 42. Now multiplying these two, see here what you get? N square minus 6n minus 5n minus 11n plus 30 minus 42 is equals to 0. So this is n square minus 11n. This is minus 12 is equals to 0. So how to write this one? N square plus 1n minus 12n minus 12 is equals to 0. So in both term n is common. You will get n plus 1. Here minus 12 is common. You will get n plus 1. This is equals to 0. So again n plus 1 is common. So n plus 1 of n minus 12 is equals to 0. So see here product of the terms equals to 0. So one is n plus 1 is equals to 0. N minus 12 is equals to 0. Here n is equal to how much? Minus 1. Here n is equal to how much? 12. But here n is positive integer only. Okay. So clearly n is not equals to minus 1. So n is equals to 12. So this is the required answer. So see the third solution. If n plus 1 P5 is to n P6 is 2 is to 7, then find n. So see here, given n plus 1 P5 is n P6 is equals to 2 is to 7. So how to write this one? N plus 1 P5 divided by n P6 is equal to 2 by 7. Now cross multiplication. 7 into n plus 1 P5 is equals to 2 into n P6. Here we have to apply NPR formula. So what is that formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Here we have to apply this formula here. Now this is 7 into n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 5. See here, n plus 1 minus 5 factorial. This is equals to 2 into np6. So this can be written as n factorial by n minus 6 factorial. Okay. Now this can be written as 7 into n plus 1 factorial. Write as n plus 1 into n factorial divided by this one n minus 4 factorial. So this can be written as n minus 4 into n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial. Okay. So this is equals to 2 into n factorial divided by n minus 6 factorial. N minus 6 factorial get cancelled and n factorial get cancelled. Now cross multiplication. So 7n plus 7 is equals to 2 times of n minus 4 into n minus 5. So clear, this can be written as 7n plus 7 is equals to 2 into n square minus 4n minus 5n minus 9n plus 20. Okay. So this is 2n square minus 18n minus 7 minus 25n. Next to 40 minus 7, that is plus 33 is equals to 0. See here, find the factors here. 2n square minus 22n minus 3n plus 33 is equals to 0. Here 2n is common, you will get n minus 11, minus 3 is common, you will get n minus 11 is equals to 0. So this is n minus 11 into 2n minus 3 is equals to 0. So clearly one is n minus 11 equals to 0, 2n minus 3 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 11, here n is equals to 2 by. But n is positive integer, so this is not possible. So hence n is equal to 11 is the required answer. So next see the fourth one. If 12p5 plus 5 into 12p4 is equals to 13pr, then find r. So see the fourth solution. So given 12p5 plus 5 into 12p4 is equal to 13p6. So you know that n minus 1 pr plus r into n minus 1 pr minus 1 formula is npr. Okay. So clearly compared to this, what you get, n minus 1 is equals to 12 and r is equal to how much? 5. Okay. So clearly n is equal to 13 and r is equal to how much? 5. So therefore, how to write this one? NPR, that is 13p5 is equals to 13pr. So therefore r is equal to 5. So this is the required answer. So next is the fifth one. If 18pr minus 1 is to 17pr minus 1 is equal to 9 is to 7, then find r. See here, given 18pr minus 1 is to 17pr minus 1 is equal to 9 is to 7. Here this can be written as 18p r minus 1 divided by 17p r minus 1 is equals to how much? 9 by 7. Now cross multiplication. So 7 into 18p r minus 1 is equals to 9 into 17p r minus 1. This is 7 into, you have to apply NPR formula, that is 18 factorial by 18 minus of r minus 1 factorial. This one 9 into 17 factorial by 17 minus of r minus 1 factorial. So clear, this is 7 into 18 into 17 factorial. Here 18 plus 1, 19. 19 minus r factorial. And here 9 into 17 factorial, 17 minus 1. You will get See here, 17 minus half minus 1, you will get 18. So 18 minus r factorial. So both sides 17 factorial are get cancelled. So how to write this one? See here. 7 into 18 divided by 19 minus r factorial. So how to write 19 minus r factorial? So 19 minus r into 19 minus r plus 1 factorial is equal to how much? 9 by 18 minus r factorial. So 9 1 is 9 2. So 7 into 2, 14 by 19 minus r into this is 18 minus r factorial is equals to 1 by 18 minus r factorial. So both sides 18 minus r factorial get cancelled. So you get 14 is equals to 19 minus r. So r is equal to 19 minus 14. Fine. So this is the required answer. So try to solve these 4 questions. So for next session I will discuss more problems.